Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on status 118. The question is join stats. Here the question says here the question says to curb the declining literacy in Japland, the government has come up with a new plan. You are given a array of size n denoting the initial count of literate people in each of the end state of Japland, and then the government wants to count the count the literate people in each state to be at least m. To do so, the government can combine two or more consecutive states to represent a new state. The number of literate people in the new state will be equal to the sum of literate people in the individual consecutive states that were combined to create these new states. So lastly you have to find the maximum number of states that the government can make by combining the consecutive states to fulfill the condition that they should have at least m literacy people in each state. Then the input is 3 to 4. Here the size of the array is 3 and the and the minimum requirement of literacy people is 2. But in every state there are two or more literacy people. So so in this case the combine is not possible. So the output is 3, then 3 to 4. In this case the minimum requirement is 5, but in this case 2 and 3 are not satisfy the condition. So we can merge 2 and 3 to get 5 and 4, which satisfy the condition. Then the number of states which fulfill the condition are 1. Then in case of 3, 7, 8, 2, then the maximum state is 7, which have more than 5 as literacy people. So in the question it is said that you have given an array of size n like 5 and the minimum requirement is 4, 2, 3, 6, 7, 5. In this case it is already present, but this is case it is not present. So we can merge these two to get 5, 6, 7, 4. Here the maximum state is 4. So we have to return 4 in this case. And this is easy question. You can done it by simply iterating through 0 to 1, 0 to n. Suppose you have 6 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 5. Firstly you take this. If this is more than 5, then count answer as plus 1. Count answer as plus 1. If this is not more than 5, then combine it with the neighbor states. Here this is give 3, but by this also 3 is not more than 5. So then also we can combine 1, 2, 3, which gives 6, which 6 more than 5. So the answer is plus 1. But in this case it is already 6, so plus 1. In this case also it is already present more than 5, so it is plus 1. In this case also plus 1. In this case answer is 4. So let's come to the coding part. Here also I have explained the same. Here also I have read the same code which I explained in pen and paper. Here I take as three variables sum which is my which is the sum which can compare with the minimum requirement conditions, then the count of states, this is the count of states, and this is nothing. And then I then I run a for loop from I equal to 0 to n minus 1. Here I add here I add in s1 until my condition is fulfilled. Then I if my condition is fulfilled, then I add plus 1 to c1 then, and similarly we take it from 0 to n minus 1. Lastly I print the c1 which is the maximum number of states that can fulfill the conditions. I think this will give right answer. Yes. Now I am going to submit the code. I think this will get accepted. I think I read the right code. Yes, this got accepted. Thanks everyone.